Another resource and signature program from Speech is our Speech Sound Packs. These resources arose from our collaboration with early childhood educators following our pop-up screening sessions identifying children with delays. Sometimes parents are unable to access a timely speech pathology service, so we have produced some resources parents and educators can use at home with readily available stories and track through supporting that child's pronunciation of a sound. This book, Hooray for Fish, targets the F or F sound. Our resource information in each pack follows a similar template: general information, cues and strategies, working through the hierarchy of speech sound development from sound level, syllables, words, sentences, and then ultimately using the sound in conversation. Each of the resources in the pack support those levels of practice and support those levels of development. In this way, educators and families can be supporting their children during therapy sessions or whilst they wait for appointments. Each sound that is commonly mispronounced by children under school age have been made into a pack like this for the clinicians to share with their clients and early educators.